Hello, dear partner and tutor. My full name is Julia Stephanie Cortez Contreras. I am currently 25 years old. I am from the beautiful city of Cincelejo, Sucre. My cell number is 30036844125. My email is juliacortez2525@gmail.com. I am in 5 semesters of degree in English as foreign language. I really like going to the movies. I love doing my workout at the gym every day. I love eating everything and trying different flavors. I like the share with my friends, go dancing, or maybe just talk. I like basketball and it entertains me. I love to see other people play this. I like to meet new people. I like to make friends. I think there are very few things that I don't like. For example, I don't like fight. I'm lazy. I don't like interact with complicated people or those who think they know everything. I don't like junk food. Okay, now answer the following question with my own words. Okay, how do you compare the question from Willis Schaff at and the beginning of the chapter with the purpose of linguistics? Linguistics is the scientific study of language and involves an analysis of language form, language meaning, and language in context. I find chess approach very promising. Let's see that communication is very complex, that this goes beyond a simple conversation. These linguistic studies were embraced in the contact between the spoken language. Why do you think some people approach the study of linguistics with apparent science? Is this your case? Explain. Okay. Clearly, we know some extensive reading aren't pleasant. Many people don't know that this linguistic. We think many times that they are large amounts of reading us, and we don't have the hobbies of reading. That is very wide. Isn't difficult. The spoken language we acquire through our environment, but over time realize some words commonly learned are badly pronounced. And now is linguistics about currentness in language use. Explain. Every day we learn something new about our language, and likewise we face we face error in our language, but oral and writing that so linguistic we can correct. When we are learning the second language, we must develop oral communication as priority. The phoneme to be taken into account will be those four that are indispensable to establish and acquire communication. What are the names of the greatest contributor linguistic field? And the name of the greatest contribution to linguistics field are these. Okay, the father of modern linguistics and the founder of generative and transformational linguistics, the author of systematic functional linguistics, SFR. Thank you so much.